Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today we're diving into a really interesting topic. What specific genes does a genetic test for diabetes risk evaluate? It's fascinating how our genes can influence our health, especially when it comes to something as prevalent as diabetes. So, let's get into it. The development of diabetes isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise, it's also about your genetic makeup. There are specific genes that play a significant role in determining your risk for developing diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. One of the most well-known genes in this context is the TCF7L2 gene. Variants in this gene have been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. What's interesting is that certain variants can actually impair insulin secretion and increase insulin resistance. So if you have a variant in this gene, it might make you more susceptible to diabetes, but it's not the whole story. Then we have the FTO gene, which is another key player. This gene is associated with obesity and body mass index, or BMI. Understanding your FTO gene variants can give you insights into weight management issues, which is crucial since obesity is a significant risk factor for type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget about the PPARG gene. This one's essential for the development of fat cells and regulating glucose metabolism. Mutations in this gene can affect how your body handles fats and sugars, potentially increasing your risk for diabetes. Now, how does genetic testing work? It's pretty straightforward. You typically provide a saliva sample, which is then analyzed in a lab to identify any gene variants that might raise your risk for diabetes. But here's the thing. While genetic testing can provide valuable information, it doesn't predict your future. Many people with genetic risks manage to avoid diabetes by adopting healthy lifestyle habits. So, what can you do with this information? First, consult with a healthcare provider. They can help you interpret your genetic test results and create a personalized health plan. Second, adopt a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet and staying active are crucial, regardless of your genetic risk. And don't forget to monitor your health regularly, especially if you have a family history of diabetes. Knowledge is power, right? The more you know about your genetic risk, the better equipped you are to take proactive steps to manage your health. Now, if you're interested in exploring your genetic makeup further, I highly recommend checking out the innovative precision health and wellness genetic tests available from Plexus DX. They offer a range of saliva-based tests that cover everything from nutrition to metabolism and overall health risk management. You can find these tests at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. So, take that step towards better health and empower yourself with knowledge. Thanks for tuning in to Ask Plexus DX. If you found this episode insightful, please like and subscribe. Remember, links to Plexus DX tests are provided below in the show notes. The following is an important disclaimer. Plexus DX is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service, which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment.